Okay, we're on. Hi, everybody. We are going to look at a new rule today for our angles unit. We're going to look at angles of a quadrilateral. But before we do, it's important that we review one quick thing about something we've already learned before. And that is, well, let's see if you can recognize it. Let's say I have some different angles here, and tell me if this reminds you of a rule that we've learned already. I have a center line and different angles coming around, and an angle going all the way around. Yes, Aaliyah?
It's a circle, so it's 360.
Yeah, so angles around a point will add up to 360 degrees, right? So if I take this angle, this angle, this angle, this angle, this angle, they're all going to equal 360, right? So that's just a little quick review because we're going to use that to help us learn one of the basic facts of an angle of a quadrilateral. So here's a quadrilateral, happens to be a square, but a quadrilateral can be any four-sided polygon. And what do we know about the angles? I've written a hint here. The angles of a square or a rectangle. Sophia?
They're all
They're
90 degrees.
all 90. Each angle is 90 degrees. So 90, 90, 90, 90. They're all 90 degrees. Now, what's going to happen? I'm going to cut up this square, this quadrilateral. This might look familiar because I did a similar thing when we learned about the angles of a triangle. I'm going to take all those four corners and I'm going to rearrange them so they meet in a center point. And we're going to notice something special. There are four corners meeting. Each corner is 90 degrees. Each angle is 90 degrees. So what does that tell us, Celine?
Doesn't mean that it's 360 degrees?
Yeah, the sum of the angles of a quadrilateral will be 360 degrees, right? So here's all the angles. If I had my original square, it's all out of order. Anyway, let's say we had our square, and we take all those angles and we put them together, we add them up, it's 360, okay? Now that's a square, we know it's 90, right? That's fine, we know it's a 90-degree angle, each of them, but here's a quadrilateral, not a square, so the angles are not 90. But even if we don't know the numbers, just to show you the basic concept is going to be the same. Whatever these angles are, they are going to equal 360. So all my corners, I'm going to put them together. They should meet together nicely. And we notice, look at that. They all meet together and we can go around in a full circle. So we know it's 360, okay? Whatever these angles are, they will add to 360. Should we just make up some random numbers? Okay, so these aren't to scale. I'm not measuring. I'm just going to ballpark it. I'm going to say this is, well, we'll just make our numbers easy to deal with. That's going to be, well, let's say that's 85. We'll say this is 80, it's pretty close, 82. This is, oh, I don't know, 120. And this is, question mark. How can I find that green angle? All four add up to 360. Jonas? 360, take away this, take away this, take away this. So yeah, I sometimes like to add them together. First of all, 80 and 80 is 160, 167, 267, 287. Am I right? Did I do that right? You guys can double check. So if they're all 360, I can take away 287, and I'm going to get 73 degrees. Does that check out?
Yes.
There we go. So 72 degrees. And that's how you find the angles of a quadrilateral. Thanks for watching. Smash that like and subscribe button and all that stuff that YouTubers say. Bye.
Yeah.